Well, as we wind down our day, we can see that temperatures are down to the middle 30s at this point here. 37 at the moment. Feels more like 29 degrees, though, with some fairly strong winds here out of the southeast. But those southeasterly winds are going to be actually warming us here over the next couple of days. Even as they increase overnight tonight and especially into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to start to see our temperatures rise over the next couple of hours and rise even more into tomorrow afternoon, as far as maybe even 55 degrees, a 15-degree increase from what we've seen today here, with high temperatures really only reaching 40 for most of mid-Missouri. We can see current temperatures at the moment here are mostly in that middle 30s range here, but you can see a little further out west, conditions are a little bit warmer here. Kansas City at around 44 degrees. Areas there and further west in Great Plains states are receiving some of that strong southerly and southwesterly wind here that's going to be warming overnight and really getting those high temperatures well above average for the next couple of days. We're going to have values in the 50s for tomorrow, as I previously mentioned, and then keep on warming towards the 60s here on Monday. You'll notice that our low temperatures here for Sunday night probably going to be 46 degrees, which would put it about 6 degrees warmer than what our high was today. So we're definitely going to start to see some pretty rapid changes in that temperature. But just as quickly as we rise up that high, we are going to drop back down here following Martin Luther King Day here on Monday into Tuesday, back down to the middle 40s or so. Still a little bit above average, but definitely more normal for this time of year here, early to middle January, which is actually what's usually the coldest part of the year for mid-Missouri here. Our high temperatures at their lowest. But again, those next 2 days not really going to be reflecting that trend. Now, with this increase in temperatures, we're actually going to see some rain chances here Sunday night into Monday afternoon. We have a 40% chance of seeing some scattered showers and maybe even a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. I think most of those will be concentrated well off to our west, though, outside of the state of Missouri, but that chance will exist. And then later here on to Wednesday night and into Thursday morning, we have some additional chances of rain as well, though the temperatures will be a bit cooler by then. We can take a look at our precipcast to kind of track some of the timing of this here. We're looking at around 11 p.m. here for tomorrow night here on Sunday, after what should be definitely a sunnier day. We're going to see those clouds start to move back in, that rain really starting to peek through, and maybe getting some more scattered showers, some heavier downpours by Monday morning, especially into Monday afternoon. I think by Monday evening, we'll start to see things clear out a bit more, though. But as I mentioned, once again, on Wednesday, we're going to see that chance of rain build back in here, and we might have to deal with even the chance of some mixed precipitation, though I think temperatures will be warm enough to support really only rain. Here's a look at that wind gust cast, as I mentioned, too. With these winds that we're expecting over the next 2 days, we could see gusts as high as around 35 miles per hour, mainly here into Monday afternoon. That'll correlate with those highest temperature values in the middle 60s at that time. So as the temperature increases, we're going to see that wind increase as well, just something to remember as we go throughout the next few days or so. 33 degrees, though, for tonight, mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be near freezing again, but that's going to be the coldest temperature we see for quite some time, because we're really warming up tomorrow into the middle 50s or so. Clouds are going to be clearing, and we're going to see those winds getting gusts up to around 20 miles per hour, up to 35 miles per hour here on Monday, with temperatures in the middle 60s. And then, as I mentioned, we'll see temperatures even back out to the middle to upper 40s here for the rest of the week and into next weekend.